If Audacity is showing OpenVINO AI plugins and you want to remove them, this video will walk you through the safest way to disable them, uninstall them on Windows, and clean up any leftover files if needed. This is a simple step-by-step guide, and by the end, your Audacity setup should be much cleaner and easier to use. If this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's start with the first step, which is disabling the module inside Audacity. Open Audacity on your computer and then go up to the edit menu at the top. From there, click Preferences. In the Preferences window, look for Modules in the left sidebar and click it. This section controls optional components that Audacity can load when it starts. Now, find mod-openvino in the list. This is the AI plugin module we want to turn off. Click the status drop-down next to it and change it to disabled. Once that is set, click OK to save the change. After that, close Audacity completely. This step is important because it stops Audacity from trying to load the OpenVINO tools during startup. Next, we'll remove the plugin from Windows itself. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and type Add or remove programs, then press Enter. This will open the installed apps list in Windows. In the search bar, look for Audacity OpenVINO AI plugins. Once you find it, click the three dots next to it or click the program name if that is what your system shows and then select Uninstall. Windows will ask you to confirm the removal, so follow the prompts and let it delete the files. This should remove the main installed plugin package from your computer. If you still see the menu in Audacity after uninstalling, then there may be a leftover file or folder causing it to stay visible. In that case, you can do a manual cleanup. Open File Explorer and go to C:/program files/Audacity. Inside that folder, look for a folder named openvino-models and delete it. Then open the modules folder. In there, look for any file named mod-openvino.dll and delete that file too. These are the components that can keep the plugin active even after uninstalling. Be careful when deleting files and only remove the OpenVINO related items we just mentioned. Once you finish those steps, restart your computer if needed, then open Audacity again and check whether the OpenVINO AI plugin is gone. In most cases, disabling the module, uninstalling the plugin, and removing leftover files will fully clear it out. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy software guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.